Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery. We're just going to go through a few service tips for the Portaforce machines. These machines should be serviced every 2 to 3 months. Things like the pins and bushes need to be greased regularly. There's a lot of force on each bush, so you need to remove them and grease each pin and bush. The other thing you can do as well is check the oil level of the hydraulic pump. So if the machine's lagging and it's not bending or retracting properly, you need to remove this sump plug here as well. Remove that and fill it up with oil. But firstly, you need to retract the machine fully. Then back off the presser. Roll the machine on the side. Best to have a bit of cardboard or rubber down. Remove the plug slowly. Sometimes there can be a bit of surplus pressure still inside. Just remove it slowly. Take some 32 grade hydraulic oil. Top up the reservoir with the oil. Place the plug. And then tighten it back up. And test the machine again, and if it's still lagging, it may need more hydraulic oil, so just repeat the process. So retract the machine fully, and then extend it again, and then follow the same process.